What's up, family? Today we are going to make cheddar stuffed barbecue burgers topped with sauteed onions. This is going to be beautiful. I also want to know, why are hamburgers called hamburger if there is no ham in them? They actually get their name from Hamburg, Germany, home of a cut of beef called the Hamburg steak that eventually evolved into what we now consider hamburgers. I also read, according to Food Lover's Companion, the name hamburger comes from the seaport town of Hamburg, Germany, where it is thought that 19th century sailors brought back the idea of raw shredded beef, known today as beef tartare, after trading with the Baltic province of Russia. Is hamburger different to a beef burger? When used as nouns, beef burger means a hamburger, whereas hamburger means a hot sandwich consisting of a patty of cooked ground beef or meat substitute in a sliced bun, sometimes also containing solid vegetables, condiments, or both. Beef burger as noun, hamburger. Pretty cool. You learn something new every day. And look at that, family. We're almost near the end. We're gonna top it with our barbecue sauce, and look at that. Yes. We're gonna take our sauteed onions, family, and we're gonna top our stuffed cheddar burger. And that's it. And we're gonna go ahead and get to the prize, family. The cheese. I wanna say thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 5,000 Ddins. Into our next food adventure. Peace.